Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 370, Unbound Actions with Server Logic. We started our series on server logic last month, and since then it has gone from being in preview to generally available. As part of going GA, we got a new feature, support for unbound actions. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. Within Dataverse, actions are a way of extending the operations that can be performed on data. Think of it like being able to create your own endpoints that are available in the Web API. A bound action is one that is called on a particular row in a particular table. Support for these types of actions was included as part of the preview. You can tell it is a bound action because to call it, you need to include the table name and the ID of the row. An unbound action is one that isn't tied to a particular table or row. You can pass in parameters if you'd like, but you don't specify a particular table or row. These can be used for more general operations. Many environments already have these unbound actions created in them, and now you can take full advantage of them within Power Pages by using server logic. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 370 on unbound actions with server logic useful.